All right, welcome today. We are going to discuss something that came to my mind 2 days ago. All right, because in life we have experience as we grow and as we get into certain things. All right, and that thing I want us to talk about today is about somebody teaching you everything about self publishing on Amazon KDP. The truth is that nobody will teach you everything about self publishing on Amazon KDP. When you get into something, it's left for you to learn new things. All right? Even what applies there, you can be using them, but there will be a point it will come through. You will discover certain things on your own. That is why you're a creator. That's why you're a writer because you create. You're a creative person. All right? That is one quality of a good writer. So don't fold your hand and expect that whenever you search for everything about Amazon KDP, you see it on the internet. There are hidden things you need to discover by yourself. Okay, take for example, niche discovery. All right, there are some sub-publishers that are succeeding in this life today because they discovered a particular niche that is not popular. And because they discovered that, they kept on publishing books on that area, and those books are giving them money than the competitive niches that everybody know. All right. So self-discovery and personal discovery is very important if you want to succeed on Amazon KDP. All right. When I got into this Amazon KDP for the first time, that was in the year 2013 or so or 12. All right. Then there was no videos. There were no videos, no much videos on Amazon KDP. But because I want to learn, I try so many things. I got to kdp.amazon.com. I do my thing. I created my account. Any information required from me, I supply to them until I successfully created my account. So if you're in this system or you're just planning to come, don't expect anybody to walk you through on everything. All right? Is what you see is what you get. Okay, so sometimes you don't need everybody, somebody like content creators like us to teach you everything about that area. Then let me tell you something. There was a time I published one book. All right, there was no kind of that book already existing on Amazon KDP. I was just sitting one day and that idea came to my mind, and I was like, people are likely to be searching for this kind of thing. If I create this kind of title, I will make money because I'll have to get other things and put inside. Do you know I created that book? And that book, after the second month picked up till day, is still selling. It's still selling. This book have made me over $9,000. All right, but because it came from my mind, it's unique. I didn't watch a video to see somebody talk about that particular book is doing well. So sometimes it's not every time that somebody will teach you something. There are some basic things you need to do by yourself. There's some things you need to create with your mind to succeed on the internet, okay? On self-publishing. Another area I want to point out is when it comes to image. Before I used to publish in a book with images. I'll download the image from a website and then use it. And Amazon was blocking my book. When I sat down, I started asking myself, how do I bypass this? Because I needed as if I take shots. All right, maybe I went outside and take a picture of a tree. I used it to publish that book. That one will not have issue. I said, okay, I think it's better to use screenshots. And I did it. I've been working for me all those since that time till now. So I don't publish a book again, and Amazon will tell me that they found some things available on the internet because I downloaded the image from a website. So these are creativity, that things you need to do by yourself. All right, another area I want to talk about when it that concerns this is when it comes to filling forms. You don't expect maybe a YouTuber or a website to tell you everything about filling forms or taking some kind of actions required from you by Amazon KDP. Because there are people that want to that have this mindset that they need to be walked through everything. No, 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 no. Once you're giving the tip, you can go in. Sometimes you may not even need to be giving the tips. Okay, take for example, when Amazon KDP started identity verification, you logged into your website and you saw the option, you logged into your account on Amazon KDP. the account you have been logging into, and you see a notification that you are required to upload your identity to strengthen your security on the platform, and you're looking for somebody that will guide you on how to do that. What you can insert and just get through. Man, no, it doesn't happen. So there are some things when you get there, you see it is still the same size. Follow the on-screen guide and get it done. Stop waiting for everybody to teach you everything. Okay? The things you learn on your own, you do on your own, you become an expert in that area with time. That's how we learn, you know? That's how we learn till date. So don't expect anybody to give you everything about sustainable numbers and KDP. There are things you need to discover yourself and apply them to make more money on the platform. So that's my message for you today. If this content helps you, consider subscribing to this channel. If it motivates you, if it gives you power to do more, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. All right, so help me grow this channel. Okay, you can watch this video here. It will teach you other things about Amazon KDP, which is self-publishing. All right, thank you and see you some other time.